guys, this is a short video about removing the driver's subwoofer from under the driver's seat. Strange noise when you're playing music, strange noise coming from the sub and the lower sounds. It's like doing like bird dart. It's doing like that, and I wonder if I will repair it just to clean it, because one time I spilled coffee and one time water got down from the sunroof. You know that problem with the clogged drain pipes that coming right here, and water is either the way the water should be entering, should be outside the car, and the water is coming in the footwell, and water drained and water coming into the sub. To remove the subwoofer, you need to remove this plastic cover. You just unclip it like here with a little force. First, I drop some. Okay. You need to remove the 4 bolts on the seat. Don't disconnect the battery before you remove the seats, because you wouldn't be able to remove in the front and the back. First, remove the 2 bolts T50, Torx 50. It's here. Remove this plastic first. This plastic goes like this. Just unclip it, little guy here, and pull it back. 4 bolts. 4 bolts are 2 in the front and 2 in the back. T50. It's like this. Torx. And when you remove the first 2 in the front, go in the back, and the driver's seat just move forward, and you will be able to unscrew 2 T-Torx in the back. And after that, disconnect the battery in just in case, and the seat just pull back to have place for removing the subwoofer cover. Torx 10, and remove. I just need to remove these little guys, and the sub goes. Okay, this is the clip for the sub and the Logic 7 in the system. 13 speakers, but everything works fine, but just this subwoofer works like brundle, like the bear. Brr, brr. And this is the part number on the back. Okay guys, I will clean it and we'll put it back all together. And one thing, you don't need to unclip it anything else, just do it the sub. This is the frame, and after that you will find 4 bolts, and this is the bolts for the frame. This is the bolts for the frame, and this is the no, sorry, this is the bolts from the plastic cover of the subwoofer. This is the first plastic cover, and then this cover from the sub, and this is the sub itself. Okay, thank you for watching.